everyone, welcome to Anamika's Edu Space. Study some question and answers related to the topic plant life. Okay, so at first I have already taught you about this chapter plant life, which is the first chapter in your class 2 syllabus. Now we will study about the question and answers of this topic, okay, in this video. And those who have not studied that chapter, the study material is already provided. Now you can visit the given link in the description and get the study material from there in the previous video which I have taught you. Now let's see about the question answers. So the first question on the screen goes as, why is the leaf called the kitchen of the plant? Okay, so the answer goes as, the leaf is called the kitchen of the plant because it makes food for the plant with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay, so in the study material already I have taught you about the leaf and what is the function of the leaf and why the leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Okay, now in this question and answers video we have to write the answer in very brief way and mentioning each and every point. So the first point is, why leaf is called kitchen of the plant? Because the leaf makes food for the plant, that is the leaf prepares the food for the plant. Okay, and with the help of air, water and sunlight. Now coming to the second question of the video. Now what is the second question? Second question on your screen goes as, state one difference between a creeper and a climber. Now what are creeper and what are climbers? I have already mentioned in that video where I have taught you about the chapter. There you can find the pictures, you can find the brief description and each and everything which you need, and the answer from that study material goes as, creepers are the plants that grow along the ground. Okay, and the example of that plant is pumpkin. So pumpkin is a vegetable we all know, and this pumpkin plant cannot climb up because of its weak and thin stem, and it crawls in the ground. Okay, so they are known as creepers. Now there are some stems of the plants which cannot, there are some plants which cannot crawl and cannot be up straight. Okay, they cannot go up straight, so they take the support of some stick, of some walls, okay, to climb up, and so they are known as climbers, as they are climbing upwards with the help of some stick, so they are known as climbers. So what will be the answer? Climbers are those plants that grow straight up by taking a support of walls, sticks and other plants to climb, and the answer is P, or the pea plant. Okay, now coming to the third question of the video. Now what is the third question of the video? We can read here as, give two examples of the plants that grow in desert. Now what are desert? You all know that desert are hot and sandy areas. Now what type of plants are found in these deserts, these hot deserts? The plants that are found in the hot deserts are cactus, that is the thorny plant. Okay, and this cactus has many thorns in it, so this plant is known as cactus. Now the second plant which is found in desert is a date palm. Okay, now coming to the next part, that is, give two examples of plants that grow in water. Now what type of plants we found in water? We found lotuses. Okay, so lotus is a plant we found in water. Now coming to the second example, that is water lily. Water lily is also a kind or similar looking like a lotus, but it is actually not a lotus. It almost looks similar to lotus and it is found in water, as because its name is water lily. Okay, now coming to the fourth question of the video. video. Now what is the fourth question? Fourth question is what is bark? Now what is bark? The tree trunk are covered with hard skin called bark. So the brown skin which is found at the outside of the tree trunk, which covers the stem of the tree, is called bark. Now how does the bark of a tree help the tree? Okay, so this is the second part of the fourth question we can see. Okay, so the answer will be the bark of a tree protects the stem. Okay, now coming to the fifth question. Now what is the fifth question? The fifth question is what is an evergreen tree? Give an example. And the answer is some trees such as the pine keep their leaves all year round. Such trees are called evergreen trees. They are always green. For example, pine. That is the tree. Evergreen trees are those trees whose leaves are always green throughout the year. Okay. Now coming to the next page, let's see. So the first question or the sixth question of this we continuing video will be what do branches of trees bear? Answer is branches of trees bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Seventh question is what work do the following parts of a plant do? Now what are the following parts given to us? The following parts given to us are fruits, flowers and roots. Okay, as it is written A, B and C. Okay, so in A, fruits. What does fruit do? Fruit has many seeds inside it. Papaya fruit with many seeds. Okay, there was many seeds inside the papaya fruit, and you can see in your daily life also if you encounter with a papaya fruit. Now papaya fruit has many seeds inside it. Okay, now what does these seeds do? These seeds grow into a new plant. Okay, now coming to point B, that is flower. What does flower do? Flowers produce fruit. That is, fruits are born from flowers. That is, say that the flowers give birth to the fruits. Okay, now coming to the point C, that is roots. What does root do? Root, it gives support to the plant. It takes in water and nutrients from the ground and sends it to all other parts of the plant. Now this was the seventh question. Now coming to the eighth question. So write down one difference between shrubs and herbs. Shrubs. What are shrubs? Shrubs are smaller than trees but bigger than herbs. Now what is a example of a shrub? Shrub example is lemon plant. Some small plant that do not grow very tall, having thin and hard stems are called shrubs. And what are herbs? Very small and weak plants having thin and soft stems are called herbs. For example, mint. Now coming to point 9 or question 9. Now what is question 9? What are deciduous trees? Give an example. And the answer is some trees which lose, that is they lose their leaf or they shed their leaves annually, that is once in a year they shed their leaves. They are known as deciduous trees. For example, oak tree. Now coming to the last question of this chapter, and the last question goes as what do you mean by tree trunk? And the answer is the hard and the thick stem of the tree is known as tree trunk. So guys, this is the end of the video. Now if you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and watch the second video in this class chapter 2. I will teach you in the next upcoming video. And thanks for watching this video guys.